What is going on, everyone? It's Bucky, and welcome to the last tutorial in inheritance before we get into some other stuff. Now, in the last tutorial, I talked about overriding methods, and ooh, a text message. Let's see what it says. If a man is drunk and gets naked, it's hilarious, but if a man is naked and gets drunk, it's just sad. Alright, that's nice. Thank you, Kirk. And anyways, on with my tutorial. Alright, in the last tutorial, we learned how to override methods, and this pretty much means that we can add new methods to inheritance classes as well as edit the ones that we inherited. But the cool thing about it is you can't only add new methods, but you can also add new variables as well. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So in the Sun header, you see that we don't really have any variables right now, but that doesn't mean we don't have any in our class. We already inherited one from mom, and that was called num1. So we actually have one there, even though we can't see it. So let's go ahead and add another one, and let's just go ahead and say like int new variable. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name it new variable for simplicity. So even though we only declared one explicitly, we actually have two in here. Pretty cool, huh? So now in our method, what we can do is we can go ahead and take that new variable and set it equal to something the kid would set it equal to. Yeah. So, or you could set it equal to, let's see, 101. Or, see, I was going to do this. LOL, looks like a person drowning, but, you know, I'll do 69. And anyways, enough of me goofing around. Let's get back. Let's focus, Greg, focus. So now that we have two variables here, we can change our NSLog statement. So instead of printing out one variable, go ahead and print out two. So this should go ahead and print out the number is 14, the number is 69. So again, like I was saying, even though the Sun class appears to have only one variable, don't forget that we inherited another one as well from mom, as well as a method that we overrode. So that's what's going to go on. Let me just run this to prove it to you guys. Build and run. Make sure I don't have any errors. And the number is 14. The number is 69. Pretty cool, huh? So that is the beauty of not only inheriting variables, but you can also create your own to further expand your class. Now, the last thing I want to talk about in this tutorial, I'm not going to be doing any more typing, but I want to talk to you guys about abstract classes. And I'm not going to be like showing you because I can't really show you, but the concept is if ever you hear anyone talk about the term abstract class or abstract superclass they might call it, it's the idea that, check this out, in our main tutorial we created an object from the Sun class, simple enough. I mean, we could have gone ahead and create an object from the mom class, but have you ever seen anyone create an object from the NS object class? No, you haven't, because it isn't possible. Some classes are used so often that the sole purpose of why they are built is only so other classes can inherit from them. And these are called abstract classes. Classes where, and these are, a lot of them are built-in classes that you can never explicitly create objects from, but you can always only inherit from them. So the definition of an abstract class, if ever I say it in the future tutorials, it's a class that you can't create an object from, but you need it to create it for inheritance purposes. So for example, an NS object is a superclass of everything. It's an abstract class. We can never create an object from it. We could create an object from mom to use this num1 and set method. We can also create an object from Sun to use this and these methods right here. But NS object and other abstract classes, you can never create an object from, like NS object N, NS object alloc in it. See, never anything like that. So in the future, we're going to be learning how to create, well, you know, don't worry about what we're going to be doing in the future. The future is only a little bit away. That has nothing to do with anything I'm talking about, but, you know, it might be a cool saying, put on a t-shirt someday. But anyways, thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget that not only can you add methods, but also add new variables, the inherited classes, and also, abstract classes are classes that you can't create objects from, but you can inherit from. So thank you one last time. Don't forget to check out the source code down in the link below. It's free. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I said that before. And see you later.